Welcome back to Ultra Auto Motorhome. Today we're diving into something truly extraordinary, a motorhome that takes American luxury to an entirely new level. The 2027 Cadillac SkyLounge Motorhome is being called one of the most insane luxury RVs ever built. And once you see what it offers, that claim starts to feel completely justified. Designed with the bold styling and innovation of Cadillac, this motorhome is all about turning every journey into a first-class experience. From the outside, the SkyLounge Motorhome looks futuristic, elegant, and incredibly imposing. The front fascia features Cadillac's signature illuminated grille, paired with ultra-slim vertical LED headlights that instantly give it a recognizable identity. The design is sharp yet refined, with clean lines and sculpted surfaces that reflect light beautifully. The body has been carefully shaped for better aerodynamics, helping improve efficiency despite the vehicle's large size. The side profile is long and flowing, with a sleek silhouette that hides just how spacious this motorhome really is. Massive panoramic smart glass windows stretch along the length of the vehicle, offering breathtaking views while allowing passengers to adjust transparency for privacy. Integrated storage compartments are hidden within the body panels, maintaining the clean design while providing practical functionality. Large premium alloy wheels add to the vehicle's commanding presence on the road. One of the standout exterior features is the rooftop SkyLounge itself. This upper-level glass observation deck transforms the motorhome into a moving luxury suite with a view. Whether parked at a scenic location or simply enjoying a quiet evening, this elevated space offers a unique open-air experience rarely seen in motorhomes. At the rear, a full-width LED light bar and a digital display panel complete the futuristic look, while built-in sensors and cameras make maneuvering easier. Step inside, and the 2027 Cadillac SkyLounge Motorhome immediately feels like a luxury penthouse on wheels. The interior design blends modern minimalism with high-end materials, including premium leather seating, real wood trim, and brushed metal accents. Ambient lighting runs throughout the cabin, allowing passengers to create the perfect atmosphere for relaxation or entertainment. The main living area is designed for comfort and social interaction. Plush reclining sofas with heating, cooling, and massage functions provide exceptional comfort during long journeys. A massive retractable OLED display rises from the wall, paired with a premium surround sound system that delivers an immersive cinematic experience. The layout is open and spacious, making it ideal for hosting guests or simply relaxing after a day of travel. The kitchen area is both stylish and highly functional. It features an induction cooktop, a smart refrigerator, a built-in coffee system, and a hidden sink. High-quality countertops and custom cabinetry provide plenty of storage while maintaining a clean, modern look. Everything is designed to feel seamless, as if the kitchen is part of a high-end apartment rather than a vehicle. Moving toward the rear, the private bedroom offers a peaceful retreat. A king-size bed with a luxury mattress ensures restful sleep, while surrounding storage compartments provide space for clothing and personal items. Smart glass windows allow passengers to enjoy natural light during the day and complete privacy at night. Soft ambient lighting and premium materials create a calm and relaxing environment. The bathroom in the SkyLounge Motorhome rivals those found in luxury hotels. It includes a spacious walk-in rain shower, a modern vanity, and high-end fixtures throughout. Heated flooring and advanced climate control add an extra layer of comfort, while water recycling systems improve efficiency during long trips. Performance is just as impressive as the design. The 2027 Cadillac SkyLounge Motorhome is expected to use an advanced electric or hybrid powertrain, delivering smooth and quiet performance. Instant torque provides effortless acceleration, making it easier to handle such a large vehicle on highways and inclines. The near-silent operation enhances the overall luxury experience, allowing passengers to enjoy a peaceful journey. The motorhome is equipped with adaptive air suspension that adjusts automatically to road conditions, ensuring a smooth and stable ride. Even on rough surfaces, the system absorbs vibrations effectively, creating a floating sensation on the road. Intelligent all-wheel drive enhances traction, giving the vehicle confidence in various driving environments. Driver assistance technology is highly advanced. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane centering assistance, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system make driving safer and more manageable. Semi-autonomous driving capabilities allow the motorhome to handle certain aspects of highway travel, reducing driver fatigue during long trips. Inside the cockpit, a fully digital interface displays navigation, energy usage, and vehicle information in a clean and intuitive layout. Connectivity is seamless, with onboard Wi-Fi, wireless smartphone integration, and voice-controlled systems that allow passengers to manage lighting, entertainment, and climate settings effortlessly. When it comes to pricing, the 2027 Cadillac SkyLounge Motorhome sits firmly in the ultra-luxury category. The estimated starting price is around $1.8 million, with fully customized versions easily exceeding $3 million depending on materials, technology packages, and bespoke features. Each unit would likely be tailored to the buyer's preferences, making every SkyLounge motorhome a unique creation. The 2027 Cadillac SkyLounge Motorhome represents a bold vision of luxury travel. It combines futuristic design, advanced technology, and exceptional comfort into a single vehicle that feels more like a private resort than a traditional motorhome. For those who want to experience the open road without giving up the finest luxuries of life, this motorhome delivers an experience that is truly on another level. Thanks for watching Ultra Auto Motorhome, and I'll see you on the next journey.